Okay everybody, how you doing? Today's 8/30/19. I'm at one of my facilities. First time doing a maintenance at this particular explosion-proof building. Basically, if there's a tornado or atomic bomb dropped, I'm jumping in this building. Okay? Anyways, this rooftop unit here, we have our return duct right here. Goes right back to return to the unit. And we got our supply, which is back here, going up into the building. That's fine. But here's the issue that I'm having. Shut her down. Okay, shut her down. I gotta run out and pick up some air filters. So I do have this temporarily running. Okay, here's my problem. I look inside, they never panned off on the bottom. Okay, you can see nothing but dirt down here. Okay, there's your return. All right, let me take my hard hat off so I stick my head in here. Now, if you look down in, more dirt, and daylight over there. Let me shut my light off. Daylight back there. Now, here's the only other concern I have. You see right up in here, this is for our supply. This is for our supply fan. There's our heaters. It was never panned off. This is brand new. It's been in operation for a few months actually, but it's never been panned off, and it's going straight into the building. Now, I'm surprised they haven't complained about temperature swings in here, just because you got your blower fan right here, and basically it's going up underneath the unit and coming back up through the return. So it's just one big continuous loop, and it's bypassing. It's not even going really up in through the ductwork. And then I did talk to somebody inside, and they said, you know what, when the weather was really hot a few weeks ago, it was really warm inside. But the unit's running great. It's just, I'm surprised it hasn't froze itself up yet. I am really shocked. Now, the only other thing is, since those are electric heaters, we're going to be tripping out on high limit when it comes winter time. So, but that's going to be a few months away from now. But I got to get in contact with the foreman who did this job and figure out what they're going to do about it, because this should be covered under warranty through them. So I just wanted to kind of nip this in the butt now, because well, I don't want it to fall on me or my company, because we did not do this. So we do make mistakes, everybody, but we just got to try to correct everything we can. All right. Have a good day. Learn by your mistakes. Put my hard hat on before I get written up. What's happening, everybody? Tony, the AC guy here. Taking a look at that same AC unit that was installed very poorly. They claim a factory technician was out here when they started it up. I'm calling bullshit. Okay, one thing, they did not put it on the curb adapter. They should have it directly on a cement pad. Okay, that's one. Two, inside, if you guys remember, inside the return, they had, I'll set this aside. Okay, the one panel was left open here up underneath the unit, and I called who installed this. I emailed, I sent pictures. Filters are, that's my date and initials, 10/7/19. They did put the panel inside, which is good. That's good. They failed to put the proper economizer plate in there. I forget what it's actually called. They did put the plate in the bottom, and I did lift that up already to take a look. They did pan off in the bottom, so the blower blows the airflow, goes into the ductwork and into the room. That's good. Now, return-wise, it'll come directly out of the building. Now, I'm here today to look at an ice machine, but I walk in this big control room, this explosion-proof room, and they're cold. It's 68 degrees and their thermostat set at 74, and it's 15 degrees out here in Pittsburgh, PA at this moment. Okay? One other thing. See that W2? It's
That's not hooked up. That's for that's second stage. This is an electric heating heat banks. There's 2 heat banks. W1 is connected. That's for 1 bank of electric heat. There's supposed to be the other one hooked up. So you know what I'm going to do? Well, first I'm going to jump this thing out. I'm going to jump this out in test mode just to kick the heat on to warm them up because I feel so bad for them. And then I'm going to email this company, see if they want to come back on it. If not, I'm going to do it myself. So it's just a shame. Shouldn't have to follow up on this. Shouldn't have to. There's 2 banks of electric heat. And they didn't pull enough wires on the thermostat wire to save an extra 10 cents. So it is what it is. So I'll stand back. Ba-bam. So I'm going to put her in second stage heat here. Oh, man. Okay, guys. You have a good day. I got to put this panel on. I got jumped it into the fan. I'll put it into second stage heat here. Have a good day.